If you are a beneficiary of a trust, congratulations. This means that you are entitled to a trust share or a specific gift from the trust. But in the administration of the trust, it's important that you as a beneficiary know certain things in how the trust should be administered and how you need to work with the trustee for an effective and an efficient administration of the trust. Here are some things to consider. The terms of the trust dictate to the trustee how to do their job, how and when the distributions to you as a beneficiary should be made. You may have a short-term benefit or a long-term benefit, or maybe both, as a beneficiary. As a short-term benefit looks like a settlement of the trust or a specific gift. A long-term benefit looks more like a measured distribution that comes monthly, quarterly, or maybe annually to you as a beneficiary. Again, the terms of the trust will dictate which type of distribution you'll be receiving. The second thing to consider is it's important to have communication with the trustee, and it works both ways. You as a beneficiary can always ask questions from the trustee, but please remember that during this communication process that the trustee is required to be neutral and independent and cannot take sides of any beneficiary. The next thing to remember is that the administration of the trust takes time. You can usually plan on 4 to 6 months for an effective administration of a trust, and before you can realize any benefit from that trust. Please be patient during that time as a beneficiary so that your trustee can move forward with the administration. The next thing to remember is that a beneficiary working together with a trustee is much more effective than challenging the trustee or especially suing the trustee. There are certain provisions of most trusts, such as a no contest provision, that could potentially jeopardize your trust share or your gift if you sue the trust. If you want an effective administration of trust, work together with the trustee. Ask those questions. The last thing to know as a beneficiary is that you are able to ask for an accounting from the trust. If you have a short-term benefit, that accounting will come to you when you receive a trust settlement. If you have a long-term benefit from the trust, you can request an annual accounting. And what that gives you is an open and transparent summary of what is going on in the trust at any given time from the trustee. As a beneficiary, as you work through the administration of the trust with the trustee, ask questions, but also be patient and understand that you will eventually realize the benefit of the trust